Andromedia, Alena speaking.
Good morning, this is King Daniel from Indomax. May I speak to Miss Nadia?
One moment please.
Okay, I will wait.
Mr. Daniel, I am very sorry but Mrs. Nadia is in a meeting right now.
Can I leave a messenger?
Sure, I will write it down.
I lost my phone and my new number is 08 1 2 3 4 5 2 5 7. Nadia, to can me on my new number?
Yes, I will pass your message to her.
Thank you so much.